Good morning, traders. Want to cover a stock that had a great move yesterday. So it's a recap of yesterday. So that's Rocket, RKT. I think they do mortgages. Let's go to the daily chart. We see the daily chart volume starts coming in from 2 days ago, a lot more than the day before. So you have to look for volume surges. So if we go, let's go to the 5-day, 30-minute chart. Excuse me. So here's the 5-day, 30-minute chart. We see on February 26th, volume starts coming in little by little, but a lot more than the days before, and actually sticks above this 21 moving average. And yesterday was especially even bigger volume than the two previous days, so that should have got your eyes at least to look at it if you have some kind of scanner for volume or a new high of day or something. So if we look at the 1 day, 5-minute chart, see it had an opening with good volume, then it relaxed, rested, then the volume was slow up until this bar here, which is 1245. Yeah, so that's also when the MACD starts turning up and the 5 and 8 EMA the price starts tracking above that. So the stock went up roughly from bottom to top about 59%. This yesterday's move from here to about the close. So let's look at from the day before. Go to the 5-minute. This is from March 1st when it started getting volume. We'll look at the run we could have had right around here. So a slightly out of the money option would be the 30. So here's the 30 chart. Even if we didn't get it 2 days ago, if we got in yesterday, we could have got in about 88. Then it went as high as 1254. That's about 1,438%. Let's say we only got half of that. We got in here, got out here. That should have been at least 700%, which is still great. So keep your eye on this one. Let's see how it's doing. Pre-market, daily. Look at the stock. Looks like it's down a little bit, down $5. But you should still keep your eye on it. I think it was on the short squeeze list. So it might run some more after it comes down a little bit. Well, good luck on this. Let me know if you traded it today.